Firecracker Shrimp Skewers. That's what's on the grill today. For today's firecracker shrimp, the marinade, or the sauce, I guess, that is going on the shrimp is going to basically be about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, about 3/4 cups of brown sugar, a couple cloves of garlic, about a teaspoon of salt, about 1/3 of a cup of Frank's RedHot buffalo sauce, and then some crushed red pepper to taste. So whatever heat index or amount you like is how much you should use. And there's the mixed up marinade, or firecracker as we call it, on the shrimp. All good and ready to go with the firecracker shrimp. It's that season, so we're going to do some corn on the grill. We'll just wrap them tightly in some aluminum foil, throw them on the grill, let them go 20 to 30 minutes. Put the shrimp on the last 6 to 7 minutes of the corn cooking, and we will be done. So I've rinsed off the shrimp, patted them dry a little bit. Going to just add the sauce at this point. All right, got that in there, and get it all in. Get all that garlic. Okay. Just mix it up, get them well coated. And there you are. We'll let that sit for a few minutes. Start on the corn. For the corn, put a little bit of butter on the aluminum foil, a little bit of butter on the corn itself, and then I just wrap them up good and tight. I do not season them. I let whoever's going to eat it put their own seasoning on when they're done. Okay, we're going to skewer the shrimp now and get them ready to go. Very easy process. I skewer them twice so they stay, they don't twirl, don't fall off the skewers while they're on the grill. And it looks pretty. And there you go. That's how you do it. Set the temperature to 400 degrees for the shrimp and the corn. And we're going to be using Weber hickory flavored pellets today. Once again, the grill took about a little under 15 minutes to come to temp. We're going to put the corn on now. Let that go a good half hour. There we go. Let those go for about a half an hour. About 20 minutes in, 25 minutes in, we'll start the shrimp. So the corn's been on about 25 minutes. We're going to put the shrimp on for the last 5 or 6, a couple minutes aside. Won't take long for shrimp, as you all know. So let's get these bad boys on the grill. 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. Close the lid. Give them a couple minutes and we'll flip them. Okay, let's flip these guys real quick. Give them another couple minutes. We'll be ready to eat. Oops. There we go. Okay. Give them another couple minutes. And they are done. Time to take them off and go enjoy. And dinner is served. Obviously got to have a fun, nice little beer to go with it.